gas, of course. Servicing 4,000 miles. It's raining, man. It's raining. Apparently there's like some tropical storm going on right now, and all of California, it's pretty much raining. Whoa, 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 whoa. No Playboy Cardi on this drive. Just a little POV drive in the rain, nothing too crazy. I don't think it's gonna be an ASMR drive, but you're gonna witness LA drivers firsthand, man. I don't know what it is about LA drivers, but there's something else. I've lived in Texas. Everyone in Texas drives fast, right? That's the thing. But here they drive like selfish, like reckless, like someone would rather fucking crash and die rather than have you merge in their lane. It's crazy. It's like the only place I've ever seen where people just don't care. People like want to see you crash over here, dude. Wow, it stops raining as soon as I record. As soon as I press the record button, it just doesn't rain anymore. But people will still drive like shit, I promise. Like, look at this guy. What is he doing? I guess so. Whoa, the highways are kind of looking empty. I thought there'd be like an infinite amount of traffic right now. There always is regularly, so maybe people are staying inside today. It's Monday. This guy just braking. I can't even imagine living somewhere where it's like this all the time. Like, isn't it like this all the time in London and like Seattle? Uh-oh, low fuel. 30 miles left, man. Definitely gotta get some gas soon. But yeah, like, this is just so sad. I don't even want to be outside right now, you know? I'd rather be cuddled in, watching a movie, maybe some hot chocolate, you know what I mean? Like, the last thing I want to be doing is driving right now, especially because people are so crazy. Look at this guy, just holding up the line. What's he doing? Slowest merge ever. Great. Thanks, buddy. Let's not dox my address. Oh, perfect. That's what it is. I feel like people are afraid to speed up in the rain. Like, people just drive so scared in the rain and everything. It's pretty crazy. Oh, the tree is still on top of Capitol Records. Capitol Records building, they put a Christmas tree on top of it for the holidays. It's still up there. That's dope. It's crazy. I always saw that in like movies and everything, right? Like, you see it in every single TV show based in LA, and you think it's like the coolest thing ever. I still haven't been inside. I kind of want to, but now I see it every day, and it's just like, Same thing with the Hollywood sign. Like, the Hollywood sign's so legendary. Every single time I bring a homie here, they're like, oh my God, the Hollywood sign. And it's like, I know, right? But it's like, now I just live near it, so it's see it all the time. I don't know where I'm gonna live next, but I want to live somewhere legendary, you know? Like, LA's a legendary place, maybe New York. But you can't really drive in New York. No one drives in New York, you know what I mean? Everyone just kind of walks, takes subway, cabs. Ooh, absolutely vibing in the fucking big truck. He's speeding down the highway. I respect it. But then again, I can barely drive my car in LA. But there's like canyon roads and shit, you know, you drive like 30, 40 minutes. Actually, I bet New York City's the same way. Does anyone live in New York watching this? There's gotta be a huge car community in New York, right? Obviously, you can't like race them down the streets of the city, but I'm sure you drive like 30 minutes out. There's probably some nice country roads in New York. Is there? I have no idea. This thing's kind of wide. What is this? A Durango? It is a Durango. Durango RT. Pretty slick vehicle right there. Oh, he wants to merge, sorry. I feel like a dick just stopping right next to him. See, that's some real LA shit for sure, what I just did. Look at all that traffic. I'm gonna dip before the traffic comes. And get off the highway before I gotta wait in that nonsense. Fuck all that. Palm trees looking good. I take for granted all this stuff, like the palm trees and the great weather. You don't really appreciate how great the weather is here until it's like, it's been like this for like 3-4 days, bro. And it sucks. this sucks ass. Try to go outside and like walk my dog and shit, you know? How can you enjoy life when it's just raining all the time? People are stupider in the rain too. Everything just moves slower in the rain. I feel like that's why I moved to LA. Everything's so fast, you know? Texas is just like, you're stuck in the mud. Here, everything's going. Everywhere's going somewhere. Whoa, I think that factors into the, like how everyone drives. Damn, everyone's just trying to get somewhere. You know what I mean? Like, everyone's got somewhere to be right now. They're probably late. So everyone just drives like a dickhead. Honestly, I can understand. I'm late to a lot of shit. It's my New Year's resolution. The first thing that I wrote down on my New Year's little resolution list is to be more on time. Stop being so late. Holy shit. Like a little puddle down here. What the? Shit's falling from the sky. Cracker Barrel? There's a Cracker Barrel here? What? I didn't know that. That's kind of cool. Don't do it, mister. What are you doing? Jesus.